I'm like 90% sure I just saw smoke in the car. I smell it too. I don't have my fire extinguisher, but I'm not sure what is going on, but every time I get on the car, I think smoke comes out of my heater core. I'm like 90% sure I just saw smoke in the car. I smell it too. Yeah, so my catch can on the rear over here. It looks like it is, it might be full, I don't know what it is, but it's charred. Ooh, yeah. Fuck, that's hot. I'm pretty sure I was driving and son of a bitch. I was driving and I saw smoke after pulling around some corners. And it was coming, yeah, definitely smoking. Holy shit. I'm not sure if that's a catch can is full type deal or what. but that's not good. Fuck. I think I'm gonna wait for the car to cool down up all the way. And I'm sorry, I turned off my microphone, so you're gonna hear a lot of noise and shit. But yeah, that was definitely smoke coming through the passenger side firewall, right where that catch can is, and my catch can is charred. So, oh man, yeah, I'll have to check my catch can. Let's see. I don't know if that's full or not. I'm venting it, so my guess, I don't know. I might have to put a camera down in there, but it's definitely burnt. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's charred in the back over there, but on full throttle around that corner, there's definitely smoke. So I'm gonna wait for this to cool down a bit, and then I'm gonna limp it home. All right, we are limping her home. I have a flashing check engine light, and like 5 or 6 fault codes. So we are gonna just limp her home. I don't know what just happened. I'm gonna try to go back into the footage, but there was like a smoke coming from right in here, and that's kind of like where I would be in line with my catch can. Definitely, as a car enthusiast, it's not something that you want to see go down, and definitely not something that you want to happen with no fire extinguisher, even though you had one in your car. I don't know what the hell happened. Checking in. So far, we're good. Flashing check engine light here and there. Some codes, some engine faults. I am going 20 under the speed limit, and I am just babying it home. I definitely smell not so good things, but there's no leaks. There's nothing under the car. Oil pressure's fine. Temps are fine. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I have oil. My catch cans aren't full. I was able to check the dipsticks. I do have oil in the car. The motor sounds fine. It doesn't sound odd to me, so I don't know. I'll check back in when I get to the house. I think I'm like 10 minutes. This has been the longest drive ever. People honking. I'm going so slow, but we'll make it. We're in the neighborhood. We have made it to the neighborhood, and I am going 20 miles an hour, and that has been my speed limit all the way. Very odd. Very odd. I can't go into my traction control. Doesn't do anything. I have a headlight fault now. 2 stuff just happened. And when I turn my car off now, my hazards go on for a couple seconds and then they turn off. So I'm not really sure. So I have the car idle. No smoke. It seems healthy. I definitely smell something cooking over here in this area. It was just a brief. I don't smell it anymore. And I have nothing cooking on the other side. No leaks. Very odd. No weird smoke, nothing like that. So we're just gonna kill it and let her rest. Yeah, and I have like I would assume just a ton of blown fuses. It seems like I'm as confused as ever on this, but that was definitely scary, and definitely there's like there's definitely smoke. Came right through the glove box, man. Or like underneath of it in this region. That was terrifying. Holy crap. I really thought my car was about to catch on fire. I have to do some browsing on that. I do have some parts ordered for the car, so I have some videos coming out for this car here soon. So, you know, some of them like are already kind of filmed, so, you know, I'll update you guys once I find this out. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching, and I'm gonna try to figure this out and what's going on. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the little like first couple seconds of that, because the car was moving. The car felt fantastic. I had no problems with it. Like nothing felt off or anything like that. Yeah, nothing felt off, weird or anything like that. I was off that last kind of like bend, I believe, and I was cooking a little bit. I think it was like 75, 80 miles an hour, and I was on throttle like 80, 90%. And I just did a quick glance, like I was looking obviously here, and then I glance, and I just faint smoke. And then I saw it again on the straightaway, and I let off, and then, yeah, I just like kind of threw my hat off, and I was like, fuck. Not like this. So, yeah. We're going to look into that, but I appreciate the support. And, yeah, I'll be back with what I find out. But I do think the culprit is that catch can, just because that breather on it is like charred all the way around. So maybe I need to close that catch can, because I pulled the dipstick and there was nothing really in it, which is surprising because it is kind of on a downward slope, so you'd think that would funnel more, but maybe because it's vented, it's venting it off, and then it's hitting the hot pipes or like anything that's like metal that's hot and smoking, and then it's getting sucked through the firewall, possibly. I don't know. Let me know if that makes sense. I'm gonna stop boring you guys and diagnose this, and we'll be back in another video. Appreciate it.